initial recruitment to the posts in grade 16 and above, and such other posts in BS 11 to BS 15 as are notified by the government, except those which under the Punjab Public Service Commission Functions Rules 1978 do not fall within the purview of the Commission, or which are specified to be filled without reference to the Commission, shall be made on the basis of the examination or test conducted by the Commission. First up, initial appointment to all posts in grades 1 and above, except those filled under Rule 16, shall be made on the basis of examination or test to be held by the appropriate committee or the board, as the case may be, after advertisement of the vacancies in newspapers or in the manner to be determined by the government. First up, notwithstanding anything contained in any rule to the country, whenever a civil servant dies while in service, is declared invalidated, incapacitated for further service on of his unemployed children, may be employed by the appointing authority against a post to be filled under Rules 176 and 178, for which she possesses the prescribed qualification and experience, and such child may be given to additional marks in the aggregate by the Public Service Commission or by the appropriate selection board or committee, provided she otherwise qualifies in the test, examination and or interview posts in BS 6 and above. First up, provided further that one child of a government servant who dies while in service or is declared invalidated, incapacitated for further service, shall be provided a job against posts in BS 1 to 5 in the department in which the deceased government servant was working, without observance of formalities prescribed under the rules procedure. First up, provided such child is otherwise eligible for posts. First up, a candidate for initial appointment to a post must possess the prescribed educational qualifications and experience, and also accept as provided in the rules framed for the purpose of relaxation of age limit, must be within the age limit as laid down for the post, provided that experience where prescribed would include equivalent experience to be determined by the government in a profession or in the